In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Copilot key function on Windows 11. If you want to customize what the Copilot key does on your Windows 11 computer, this process is very quick and easy. Windows gives you a built-in setting that lets you change the key's behavior, so you can make it launch Copilot, switch it to search, or assign a custom option if that setting is available on your device. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and what to look for. To begin, open the Settings app on your Windows 11 computer. The fastest way to do that is by pressing the Windows key and the I key on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut takes you directly into Settings without needing to search through the Start menu, so it's a great time saver. Once Settings opens, look over to the left-hand side and click on Bluetooth and Devices. This section contains several hardware-related options for your PC, including connected accessories and keyboard settings. If you don't immediately see everything on the right side, just scroll a little until you find the next option. Now select Keyboard. This will open the keyboard settings page, where Windows stores options related to typing and certain keyboard-specific features. Depending on your version of Windows 11 and your device, the page layout may look slightly different, but the setting you need should still be in this area. On the keyboard page, find the option labeled Customize Copilot Key on Keyboard. This is the setting that controls what happens when you press the Copilot key. If your keyboard includes that dedicated key and your system supports customization, you should see this option available here. Click the drop-down menu next to that setting and then choose the function you want the Copilot key to perform. You can select Search if you want the key to open Windows Search, Copilot if you want it to keep its default AI assistant function, or Custom if your device provides that option and you want a different supported behavior. After you make your selection, that's it. The change should apply right away, so you can test the key immediately to confirm it now performs the action you selected. If you don't see the Customize Copilot key option, make sure your Windows 11 system is fully updated, since feature availability can depend on your version of Windows and your hardware. And that's how to change the Copilot key function on Windows 11.